New adventure means new recipes. Let's make Tabantha Bake. You'll need mushrooms. Use whatever kind you like. I'm going to use creminis. I like my shrooms chunky, so I'm only going to quarter them. People throw out the stems, but I think that's wasteful. They cook up just fine. Quarter those too. You'll need some minced shallot too. You can use onions in a pinch. And 1 smashed and minced clove of garlic. Cool! Because this is a Zelda recipe, I'm going to use my wok. You can use a frying pan though. Add your mushrooms to your cooking vessel and a little bit of water. We're going to purge the liquid out of these shrooms to get all of their flavor out. See, there's tons of water that comes out of them. Just keep cooking it over high heat until most of it's gone. Then you can add some clarified butter or olive oil, your shallots and garlic, a pinch or 2 of salt, and some pepper. Keep frying over medium heat until they take on a little color. Like this. Turn off the heat and add a tiny bit of brandy. You can leave it out if you want. But don't leave out the milk. Cook over medium-high heat until the whole mixture tightens up. Turn off the heat again and add some grated parmesan. Stir it in, taste your mushrooms for seasoning, and then place them on a plate or bowl. Let them cool. In the meantime, you're going to need a basic bread dough. I'm using half of my Mach Pizza dough. There's a link to it in the video description. Roll out your dough into a small, kind of oval rectangle shape. Place your cooled shrooms in the center. And then top with your favorite shredded cheese. I like a jack cheese blend. Bring the ends up and seal it up tight. Then you can tuck in the ends and roll to round them off. Pinch it real good. You don't want your roll to rip when it's baking. Place on a parchment-lined sheet and brush with butter. I know that it looks like I'm using olive oil here, and I did, but that was a mistake. Use butter. Cover your loaf and allow it to rise for about 20 minutes. Like that. Brush it with a little bit more butter and then place it in a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. Then you can turn up the heat to 400 and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. Like that. Brush it with butter one last time. Then place it on the cooling rack and cover with a towel. This will make the bun softer. If you like a crunchier crust, let it cool without the towel. Wait at least 10 minutes before cracking it open. When you do, use a serrated knife. Ooh, look at that yummy filling. Now this is good alone, but if you had some homemade ranch, it might be the best thing you eat this week. Tabantha Bake is yummy! If you want more Zelda recipes, check out this playlist. There's tons more. And there are more coming soon, if you can believe it. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!